Log
right
entry
now.
6.
And they're just like,
I know
whatever,
now
man.
what I have unleashed
And
onto
everybody
this
dies.
earth. And I will die for my transgression.
Plague
If
bringer.
you're hearing this,
Interesting.
the future
This
is
my
in
first
your hands.
Plague bringer of the
Follow
day.
these
Ooh, 2
instructions
amulets.
to the letter.
Blue chainsaw over here. There's also a
The
crate
first step
somewhere.
is to
I'll
gather
let
the
you know when I
pieces of
find
a
it.
map that you'll find nearby. The map
Ooh,
will
gold
reveal
chest.
the location of the lost pages of the Necronomicon.
Ooh
and
wee!
Guardian.
And it's a golden machete. Sorry, boys.
Deadens me tongue.
I'll let you have it when you get back up to me, Ash. Try to find me a nice... Is that a 3rd amulet? Oh my god.
Draw nigh, friends.
That's
The
crazy.
sheen of light will cast thy fears away.
I'll try to, let's see if I can... Ooh, another shimps. Ooh, 2... What is going on? 2 shimps right next to each other. This is crazy. Guys, I'm maxed out on shimps. I'm almost maxed out on amulets, so... I'm gonna head over to
Hearken
Nobi.
thee. This may be
I'm telling
to
you,
your
so-
liking.
I can only carry 5. I don't have that last upgrade.
Sharing me like
Yeah.
me.
Well, because he has that awesome perk where, you know, half the time his amulets don't even break. Ooh wee. There you go. Alright,
Now
guys,
hold
I'm
the
gonna go
first
loot,
piece of my
oh
map.
wow, hey, I'm
A
marking the
small but
shimps.
strong step forward.
Mark. What's that?
Draw nigh, friends. The sheen of
Another
light
shimps right here,
cast
marking
thy
it.
fears away.
There's a crate somewhere in here, but I haven't found it yet. Ooh, gosh, another amulet. Okay. Where is this freaking crate? Shut up, idiot. Oh, here it is. Oh man, it's just a comin.
It's like no water I know.
It's damn it. It's at the yeah, it's in Misery, but it's in the basement. Alright, I'm gonna start
Bring
jogging
your
over to Lucky,
attention to
guys.
this vicinity.
There's a few shimps and there's a few shimps in Nobi cabin if y'all want to try to grab them. Okay, cool. Hell yeah. Okay, well I'm going the other way. Okay, cool. I might not even loot circus cages because I'm already pretty fat. Oh shoot. Oh hell yeah. As long as we got a shit ton, baby. Alright, I'm heading to Lucky Valley, guys. Alright, cool. You know what? I'm gonna let you catch up to me then. I'll stand by this light. Because you can hit him with that trap. The detrapinator. Well, you know what? I don't even think he has it trapped up. Let me just go rush him.
Be gone, devil. Thou shan't tread
Yeah,
into the
this
realm of light.
Golden machete, at least until the warrior steals it from me. Which is fine. I was hoping to find a golden chainsaw at some point. Ooh, wow, it does slice right through him. Golden crate, oh my goodness.
This F is unknown to me.
I'm picking up
The
this golden
effects
bat. Listen,
are
I dropped the
strange.
golden machete by this golden crate.
Draw nigh, friends. The sheen of
Golden bat, which is better for me because I've got balance bar. I feel sorry,
Our
but it's
team
Demon
now
at this
holds
point, guys.
another piece of the map. Keep it close and continue.
Plus, this is actually better for me because I got 2 hands, so I'm dogging these hoes right now. I've got ammo for you too. I've been picking up ammo this whole game. I'm not gonna mark this shimps because, ooh yeah, I'm full on. Did y'all find that gold crate? Oh damn, I marked it. Okay, we're coming. Where are you? Shit. I'm coming, I'm coming. I'm coming. Run to me, run to me.
Leave my friend alone, dirty demon.
Nice. Let's go, y'all. Can't run. I'm stuck in that. It was right next to the gold machete. I guess. Damn it. I guess when he picked up the gold machete, the crate was right there and it didn't get marked. I can try to find it. It wasn't at Nobi, it was at Circus Cages. Yeah. That's probably what happened. Probably saw that gold crate too. Like, do we want to start jumping in cars and whatnot? Alright, I'm coming. I'll try to find it if I can. No, it's not inside, it's outside. It's like by a car or a either a car or a campfire. I can't. Oh shit, witch is out. My bad. I'm coming, I'm coming. Where is she? Bitch. Y'all gather around, gonna hit a shimps. Where that legendary was? I don't remember. I stumbled onto it, to be honest with you. Right behind you, Annie. Nah, we just need to go. We gotta find this other piece, and it's at Greenwich, so we need to get in the car. Oh wait, there's the machete. Okay, it's gonna be right next to the crate. Yeah. Alright, we're heading to Greenwich. Okay, hell yeah. There's a car halfway, or right up here. I'm gonna jump in this car, guys, and drive to y'all. Oh wait, y'all are almost right next to me. Me too. It's my least favorite map to play. Oh shit, I'm driving into the freaking code. Demons on you said? Okay. I'm gonna just drive up to you and you can just jump right in.
Your group now holds the final piece of the map. The lost
Somebody
pages of
jumped
the
out of the car.
Necronomicon
Oh, you
and
got another
Kandarian
car.
dagger are within reach. My plan will only succeed with these items.
Yeah, I'm just gonna follow you guys. probably gonna stop at a fire right before I get there. Here's a fire right here. Oh yeah, because we don't have support damage. Right behind me, and he got the car. It's all good. Listen, I'll meet y'all there. I'll meet y'all there. There's a fire right over here. I gotta start this fire. Fuck! Well, get him off of me! Yeah, he had me trapped. I'm still trapped. It's all good. Fuck it, let's just start this. If we're gonna be here, we might as well start it. I'm gonna drop all my ammo. I got hella ammo over here, guys.
Collect the Kandarian dagger, initiating a period of battle against the dead. Remain close.
Oh, I didn't even realize. I didn't even realize it was happening until he had hit me like 3 times, and I just didn't want to. I'm sorry. I snapped sometimes. It wasn't on it. It wasn't on that. Okay. He hit me like 3 times with that. Oh, I hear the witch is here. Witch is here. Where is she? I see her. Dirty bitch. Oh shit. Where are you? I'm here, I got you. Shit, how did that not... I'm coming. You said you don't have a shims? Oh, okay. Okay. Yeah, grab one of those shims, because I only have 2. Shit. How do I only have 2 shims? Oh, weird, Danny. Yeah, come here. Alright, I'm gonna heal. I gotta pick up these shims, guys, because I don't have many. I got 1 left. I don't know how I got drained on shims so far. Yeah, that is true. That's probably why. Damn, I still only have 3. Thank you. I am good on ammo. Yeah, there is a fire over here, guys. Here now.
Survivors have taken the Kandarian dagger. This weapon is key to evil's demise.
This place has probably already been thoroughly looted, so... Okay, cool, where is it? Yeah, just hold on to it. If it's, especially if it's the only one you have. And I will have us a gold weapon after this next objective. It will be something useful. We are already dealing with 2 gold weapons. Where is it? Oh. Have a fire before we get there, but that's up to you guys. You just got the witch on you? Dropping all the ammo I have.
Group has
Got hella
roused the
long. Is
lost
nobody
pages
using
of the
them?
Necronomicon, transmitting a psychic wave to all corrupted souls.
Hey, there's some handgun over here too.
Hold your ground.
Where are you? Oh, I see you. Where's the witch? Not here, but I don't see her. Y'all get to me, I'll heal. Okay, cool, I'll grab it. I see it. Thank you. What is Annie's ability? Doesn't it give just hella buffs? Ooh. I like that balance bar. Watch out for this freaking car. Damage and fear resistance, yeah. I love it. I'm feared up, speaking of. Watch out, I gotta go with that. Thank you. Sorry. I got a what?
Heads up.
Where is she? There she is. Why can I not dodge?
You have procured the lost pages of the Necronomicon. The power of the book is within reach.
Why are you doing this to me?
Purple sledge. I don't know what
Armed
that
with
is.
the
but-
lost pages and the Kandarian dagger, you must now expel the Dark Ones from our realm.
Okay, cool. Okay, yeah. No, it's fine. I got a gold bat. That's still balance bar. It's fine. As long as I have a two-handed balance bar, I'm happy. So I don't need the purple. But my fear is all the way up, so she's gonna come straight back here. Damn it. Yeah. Y'all ready? I'm coming to the car. There's a car right over here. Oh, hey Annie, what's up? I'm 3 shimps, 4 amulets, so if anybody has extra shimps, I'll take them. Yeah, we can loop terminal real fast. Cool. I am feared up though, so... Ooh-wee. I'm gonna let y'all have any of the ammo. There's hella ammo in here, guys. Yeah, I went in through it. The first place I ran into. I'm not even sure. Where y'all at? I see you. I see you. Some kind of fire. I'm not sure what that. He's got me. Where is she? Oh, what an idiot. Damn it. It's all good. Just kill her. I was taking a shimps, and she got me right when I was taking a shimps. Cool, cool, cool. I'm healing, I'm healing, I'm healing. And I'm back down. What the fuck? That was weird. I like slipped on the... Alright, get around. I gotta heal. Shit. We gotta go, guys. We gotta go. There's a car right here. Oh wait, never mind. Damn it, it's a fucking beat down. God damn it. I'm already at the dark ones. I'm gonna go start this fire over here. God damn dark ones. Fuck! Alright, I can't start this fucking fire. They keep dropping me. I'm feared up. Watch out, I'm coming in. Thank you. Yeah, they fucking hit me like 3 times. I know, right? Where are you? Where are you? It's all good. I'm at 3 and 3 on shimps and amulets, by the way, y'all. I'm gonna drop all my ammo, which all I have is long, by this torch. Watch out behind you. Trying to save my shimps, guys. Shit, y'all come to me, come to me, come to me. Is the witch out or anything? God damn, I can't see this fireball. I hear, I'm coming. Fuck, I'm in that muck. Where is she? I see her. Shit! I gotta heal, I gotta heal. What kind of ammo are you using? I don't have any special, I don't think. Y'all get to me, I'm gonna do an amulet. Right? Ooh, a shimp. I'll grab it. It's okay, it's okay. I've got one more. Okay, cool, thank you. Oh shit, are you filled up? Oh my god. Fuck. I'm coming, come to me, come to me. I got you. I got all these shimps I gotta pick up. Fuck. I'm trying to heal Annie.
Protect the Necronomicon with your life.
Come to me, guys. I got shimps and amulets. Well, I did. Sorry. All right, we got it. Let's get to the book, guys. Get to the book. Oh shit! It wasn't. I got it. That spinning attack is fucking so OP. It's crazy. Like, if a really good demon has it, it's insane how good it is. Did I even make a golden weapon last time? Where is she? I see her. Haha, nice. It's all good. I got 3 left still. I'm feared up, watch out. Thank you. I think my guy's storing gold weapon. Huh. All that mess and I made a freaking crossbow.
Somebody shot me.
GG's. Got 1 more in the guy. Okay, yeah, I appreciate it. That was a good one, y'all. Right?
I will end this recording hopefully, knowing that if you're hearing my voice, you have triumphed over the Kandarian demon
Oh, yeah.
and saved our world.